Hi, I'm Chidi, and welcome to Chi Technologies. Today, we're going to talk about how to become a software engineer in 2021 and beyond. Who is a software engineer? A software engineer is anyone who has a good knowledge of programming languages. Programming languages, we could talk about C Sharp, JavaScript, Java, Python, Ruby, you can name it. Now, these software engineers, these people with this knowledge of programming languages, go as far as and ahead to build scalable, well articulated systems to solve real world solutions, to solve real world businesses, real world challenges for businesses. Skills required to become a software engineer include perseverance. When we say perseverance, we mean that you have to keep doing what you're doing as a software engineer or as an aspiring software engineer. Because in life, they say you only get to succeed if you don't quit. So, not quitting gets you to where you want. Determination. Now, determination means that you will already have made up your mind to become a software engineer and go for it. You would have got the zeal to do what you love to do. You will as well need to have the passion of being a software engineer. I'll tell you a story. Before I became a software engineer, I always get fascinated about how software works. A typical software that got me thinking so much about it is Microsoft Word, funny enough. Now, I'd always think, how did these guys make typing this easy? How did they make it look like so easy that you could just type away on your keyboard and print it out, and everything is well formatted in that manner. So I always thought so hard about it, not until the very first time I played a popular game called Candy Crush on Android. That was when the defining moment came for me. I was in school then when Candy Crush came out, and people were just playing it, having fun with it. The very first day I played it, I fell in love with software. I wanted to understand how these things work. These things were so fascinating. So you would need to have that perseverance, that determination, the zeal, the passion to be a software engineer. Asking the right questions is the next good skill, the next best skill that every software engineer needs to have. By asking the right question, it means nobody's perfect, right? Yeah. So we have Google, we have Stack Overflow, we have so many blogs out there that people who have had some series of challenges developing softwares have solved. And in order to, people keep journals in form of blogs and in form of articles online in their websites, so as for them to not forget the steps they took in solving a particular software development problem. Now, if you run into such kind of problem, asking the right question on Google, typing in the right question on Google will simply get those solutions up in your face, up in your screen for you to get an idea of solving it and going ahead to solve it. So asking the right question is one of the best skills. In fact, I would say is the number one, the first 3 or first 5 best skills to have as a software engineer. Learning by doing. Now, when we say learn by doing, it's not enough to just go ahead and keep learning on tutorials, watching videos, and not actually getting your hands dirty, building solutions. A lot of tutorials out there on Udemy, Udacity, edx.org, and a lot of them are tutorials that are based on active participation in such a way that they build, in those tutorials, most of them, they build solutions and they encourage you to go ahead and type along with them. Now, as you keep typing, as you learn by doing, there is this connection with your brain and your hands and what you're doing that helps it to stick more into your memory. Then finally, today we're going to talk about a little bit of computer science. Yeah, I'm a computer engineering graduate from Michael Opara University, one of the schools in Nigeria, one of the universities in Nigeria. So, but I would say it's a little bit of computer engineering or computer science degree or knowledge or education. Why? Because these days software is not, as a graduate of computer, there are a lot of people who are graduates that end up going into businesses, going into so many other things, who are computer engineering graduates or computer science graduates. So if you have that, it's like a plus to you. And being a plus to you doesn't mean you will not learn the programming language is necessary to build good solutions. So it is secondary, but it's like an added advantage. So if this is your first time on our channel, kindly please subscribe. We are here to give you first-hand videos on ideas about software and technology as a whole, and you would have a lot of knowledge. If you are an aspiring software engineer, or you are already a software engineer but you are in a junior stage and you want to transition into the advanced stage or the senior level, this is the right blog for you. We're going to break down seemingly complex topics, complex concepts in software engineering to the barest minimum, to the way that anyone can understand. I intend to be dropping videos at least 2 to 3 times every week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, and you would be among the first set of people to get notifications once videos are being dropped. So kindly click on the notification bell to subscribe. And our mission on this channel is to help the software engineer community expand more. We are here to help train at least the next 1 million software developers within the next 10 years from today, from 2021. So if you want to be on the train, if you want to be carried along with everything we do, please subscribe, and as well comment. You can share the video with your friends, people you know that are interested in software engineering, so that we can all be carried along and no one will be left behind. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was very entertaining and educating for you. And watch out for our next videos. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.